So, this is the beginning of our adventure. I'm by myself, but trust me, Lance is up there. He's up there somewhere. We're trying to find a geocache. Hey, Lance, want to come down? And just when I go back, I'll show you the place that I came down, because I didn't know how to get to this trail, but I got here anyway. Lance! He'll be there in just a second. We're at Hollywood Cemetery. About to film a video with one of my friends, but we're like here really early, so we're waiting on him. All right, we're gonna find this geocache. Let me just show you. Let me show you the map. The map claims that it's like right around here. Here, let me look how close. So it's got to be around here somewhere. Hey, Lance is calling me.
Lost you for a second. I was looking for. I thought you were like kidnapped or something.
No. All right. I'll be up there. I'll be over there in just. I kind of like ran for like a second.
I don't even see you anymore. Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy. Going to get Lance. It's right over there. Parkour. Oh, there's a big thing.
I think I changed my mind.
Do it. Do it for the crowd.
I ain't gonna
Do it for the crowd.
do it. I ain't gonna do it. Alright, I'll crab walk down.
It's raining. There's Lynn's stuff. Go get him, Lance.
I got a rock right up my butt. How are we gonna get up this?
We should be okay.
No, my shoes!
Stay safe, San Diego, or something. We're going. Lance is behind me. Oh, there's mud. All right. What are we doing, Lance?
I don't know.
Oh wait, I gotta clean the lens. Hold on. All right, little bridge. Little bridge. Look at this. If you look right in there.
That orange thing?
I don't know. All right, so right in there. You can't even see it. In there. Right in there. That orange. I'm going. Here, film me. I'm going to take them. I hope there's not like a snake or anything. It's gotta be right there.
Here we have a bay in his natural habitat. Hey, whatever you do, just don't die, alright? Oh, never mind.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where it's at. Right up here. I don't think that this is it. I'm almost positive. It's like a super scary hole. And I don't know how I'm going to hold the camera and... I got it. But this is what we got. This super ominous hole. Probably a snake going to pop out, but... Alright, so this is not it. We're adventurers, Lance!
Well, you're the adventurer and I'll be the co-pilot.
Alright, we got a tavern thing. Oh, there's probably poison ivy. Oh, I almost just face planted.
I could have sworn I heard a hiss, so let's go.
We've come too far.
Let's go. I didn't mean like go, I meant like move.
Is it under here?
That is creepy. Look at this.
This video can be Lance and Bay try to nature. This is what I'm looking at. Tipper. So if we're right there,
Hey, old man.
he said almost there, like 10 minutes away, and he said that at 12:50. So he should be here like very soon. Dude, we gotta find it.
Oops.
Excuse us.
So Bay ran away and the camera stopped recording for some odd reason. So now I have to find him. He is very excited about this.
No! No, please. No. Yeah, man. No.
Look at how steep that is. Crazy.
Dude, there's a beaver.
Where? Oh, there's a beaver.
There's a beaver. A wild beaver.
Right there.
You have witnessed Lance and Bay in the forest. Goodbye, beaver. A selfie with the beaver. Oh, bye, beaver.
Oh, alright.
Alright. We might have to
Wait,
give up.
can we go down a little further, see what's down here? Like if there's another
Beaver?
exit or entrance?
So I think we're just gonna have to call it quits.
I scaled a mountain.
He's scaling a mountain. All right, wait, I gotta clean the lens. Okay, so what you have witnessed, there's the rocks.
What?
What you've witnessed is Lance and I, oh, Bubba bench. There's Bubba's bench.
You can't sit there because it's Bubba.
That's Bubba's. Gotta go find my buddy. Oh, he's going. I think he's peeing.
That is a big.
Oh, dude, there's grass. That's civilization. Oh, dude. Oh, can we make that?
Probably not.
Sure we can. What do you think this was? A tree? Oh no, it's a telephone pole. It was a telephone. Dude, we're not gonna be able to make it through there. Dang it, that was our one chance at civilization. What?
New Balance.
New Balance. Oh, dude, this is it. This is our escape. Dude, we did it. We did it. Mom, we found home.
There's no place like home.
We found it. Here's some stairs. This has got to. Oh, dude. Oh. I thought I dropped my keys, but I didn't. Actually, I have no idea where we are. Where did?
I think we're just outside.
Found it. This is not Hollywood Cemetery. Is that camp? Are there? There are. There's people camping up here. Hi. I don't know if they're actual people. Actually, I know they're actual people. Shoes ain't got no grip. Oh, you got another biker. Oh. Hey.
3 more back there.
Oh, he said 3 more back there. All right, we'll step out of the way. Ooh. Here he comes.
Hey, morning, fellas.
Hey, how's it going?
How do y'all make it up the rock?
Let's try and pedal harder.
Intuition. All right, there's another guy. They said.
I want to pop
You up. Here he comes. Hey, how's it going? I filmed him. All right, we're at the rocks, and Lance is going first.
rock climbing.
All right, I'm coming up. All right, POV. POV of me jumping up these. Actually, it's not really a POV. All right. Oh, whoa, whoa. Here's what we got.
That's a real workout.
Hey, there's a car. Civilization. We've made it.
I want to go home.
I do too. Alright, let's see where Christian is. Alright. Alright. We'll vlog again as soon as we see the dude we're meeting. He'll make a cameo. Alright. Deuces. Lots of people over there. Maybe they saw us. Maybe they saw us. And Toby. And Toby.
Did you see me doing this?
Were you trying to get your shoes?
Yes.
And Toby, we're in a cemetery. He keeps spitting on his shoes. Alright, later. Oh,
Faye is about to talk to Christian.
I'm calling Christian. Hey, what's up, man? ¿Dónde está aquí? We are so far in, it's ridiculous. Yeah. We just walked straight in a line. We tried to go geocaching and never found one.
And we got lost.
So we went down to the James River Trail, but okay, so let's see. We are on Center Avenue. That gives a point of reference.
There's dirt on your camera. I just want you to know that.
Alright, so. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Hey, Christian, what up, bro?
Alright. Later. It got awkward. It got awkward.
Alright, we'll be back once we've got.
So, we found him.
Hey.
That's Christian. It only took us about 2 hours of gruesome walking, but it happened. So, now we're filming. What are we filming, Christian?
We are filming my documentary about the Richmond vampire.
That's us. We are the Richmond vampire. This place is so spooky.
It's kind of cool though.
It is definitely cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah, catch you on the flippy floppy. All right. He's doing magic. He's doing magic over there. What's he doing? He's the artsy type. He does art. Here we have a Christian getting secondary B-roll. We'd like to call this C-roll. See that? Can I cover my mouth?
Yeah.
You're gonna voice over, right?
Yeah. Alright. And then, obviously before...
Christian is filming me right now.
We found the world's largest caterpillar from Bug's Life. Here, wait. I don't want to die, but look at the size comparison. That right there is genuine. What if it like exploded? It was actually like an exploding thing. I guess that's a caterpillar. It looks like, I don't know.
It's Heinz or whatever his name was.
Lance, what are the odds you eat it? Will you eat it?
1 out of 100.
1 out of 100? All right, 1, 2, 3, 7. All right.
You're lucky.
Dude, that
7
thing's
is my
so
go-to
big.
number.
And when you were like, hey, so we finished our shoot with Cameron. Oh, not Cameron. His name's Christian. You saw Christian. We didn't film a lot because we were filming. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, because he had to film, so we let him film and we didn't. So we got a little bit.
Stuff.
You saw we saw a whole bunch of wildlife. All right, so I think that concludes this extremely long vlog. Lance is cleaning his shoes.
They was dirty. But I made
All right.
it a little better.
So, yep, later. 5 likes, 100 views.
I just licked my shoe.
Yeah, you did. Bye.